This device was originally invented to detect explosives in airports and on the battlefield. But it's now going to be trialled in hospital to sniff out disease. In effect, it will be a cancer breathalyzer.
So what are the different lines and the sensor settings here then?
It's been developed by Billy Boyle, who changed its application after his own wife was diagnosed with colon cancer in 2012. Aged 34, Kate Gross was given a 5% chance of survival.
So the heart of the electronic nose is a technology called spectrometry.
With his wife's illness a constant spur, Boyle has spent the last 3 years refining the technology.
We already have the microchip. We're working on small handheld devices that could be used in a GP's office. It's important to get the clinical evidence first, but we think we can have systems available, proven within the next 2 years. And our goal by 2020 is to save the NHS £245 million, but more importantly, to save 10,000 lives.
Big breath in.
When you breathe out, you release a chemical trail that reveals who you are, your age, your gender, whether you're pregnant, and whether you have cancer. So this is one of the devices that will be in hospitals as part of the clinical trials, and it works very simply. What you do is breathe into this tube, and a few seconds later you get your results. If it's positive, you'll have more tests, but if it's negative, that means the all clear. Glenfield in Leicester is one of the 2 hospitals to trial Boyle's breathalyzer. The electronic nose smells the organic chemicals that lung cancer produces in tiny concentrations, long before symptoms are obvious.
The reason for doing a trial is to obviously test the technology and the results to know how to build on it further. If the results come back very positive, then I think that this could be a huge game changer in terms of looking after people potentially with lung cancer.
Billy's wife Kate died in the early hours of Christmas morning last year, but her contribution to his work is ongoing.
We saw the devastation that cancer brings to families, in the various hospitals that we've been. So, you develop technologies for a reason. Sometimes it's for monetary gain, other times it's to try and make a difference. And I think we have a real opportunity to try and improve the lives of patients here.
Boyle hopes his invention will give others a happier ending. Tom Cheshire, Sky News.